Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Super cheers! On a warm, sunny day, Mickey asks his pals to go swimming, but Goofy doesn't want to go.
I'm gonna go fishing instead,
Goofy says. Won't you be lonely? asks Minnie.
Gosh, no,
says Goofy.
The ducks and the frogs will keep me company.
Minnie really had her heart set on everyone going swimming. The ducks and the frogs can come with us, she says to Goofy, but Goofy isn't a very good swimmer.
I can teach you, Goof,
says Mickey.
Well, gosh,
says Goofy.
Guess I'll give it a try.
Hooray, says Minnie.
Toodles will help too,
says Mickey. Toodles flies in with the Mousecatools, a soccer ball, a camera, and the mystery Mousecatool. Minnie picks the camera. It's a big day for Goofy, she says. Let's take a picture. Smile, says Minnie. It's your first swimming lesson.
I'm excited,
says Goofy.
Follow me,
says Mickey.
We'll go ahead of the gang and get started.
Goofy grabs a few things and heads to the lake with Mickey. On the dock, Goofy puts on earplugs, goggles, a snorkel, an inner tube, water wings, and a pair of flippers. He's ready for his swimming lesson.
I wish Minnie could take a picture of me now,
says Goofy as he runs toward the water.
Wait for me,
calls Mickey. Goofy slips on a tube of sunscreen and lands in the lake with a big splash. He feels the hot sun above him. He sees a fish swimming around him. He tries to move his legs and arms to swim, but all he can do is float in one spot.
I think I'm stuck,
Goofy calls to Mickey on the dock.
Hold on, I'll be right there,
says Mickey.
You don't need all the swim gear,
Mickey says.
You just wear your water wings.
Next, Mickey shows Goofy how to kick his legs in the water.
You're doing great, Goof,
says Mickey.
Do you want to play a water game? Sure, I love games,
says Goofy. Mickey calls Toodles. Mickey picks the ball.
I'll throw the ball out into the water, then we'll race out to touch it. First one to the ball scores a point, but kicking only, no hands yet. Gosh, that sounds like soccer,
says Goofy.
Yep,
Mickey replies.
You'll get so good at kicking the arm part will be easy.
Goofy, come and swim with me. Goofy, come and swim with me. I will teach you 1, 2, 3. First you float, then you kick. Swimming is a nifty trick. Goofy kicks his legs to swim toward the ball. Then he starts using his arms. Mickey calls Toodles one more time.
Are we going to play another water game?
asks Goofy.
Nope,
says Mickey. He picks the mystery Mousecatool. It's a phone.
We're going to call Minnie and ask her to bring the gang down here. You can show them what a great swimmer you are. Thanks for the swimming lesson, Mickey,
Goofy says.
You're welcome, pal,
says Mickey. I think this deserves a super cheers, giggles Minnie. While the Clubhouse pals swim together, the frogs and ducks and fish cheer for Goofy too. For he's a very good swimmer. For he's a very good swimmer. For he's a very good swimmer. For he's a very good swimmer, which nobody can deny. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram.